In this video I am going to show you the simplest experiment we can do with the help of Arduino. So here in this experiment, the basic aim of our project is to glow a LED with the help of Arduino. So I have taken the LED from these. Here you can search and get all the basic components of electronics, and you can drag the LED from over here to this space. I have used a resistor which I have taken from here, and this breadboard, this Arduino Uno. I hope you know the about the basic of Arduino Uno. These are the digital pins which I have used over here, and you can see this is the cathode pin of LED. This is the anode. By putting cursor on it, you will automatically see it. So I have connected the cathode pin of LED to the ground of Arduino Uno, and the anode pin of LED to the resistor, and I have given the name. You can also give the name to the components by clicking on it. I have given R1 and even put the required resistance to the resistor. You can also go provide the name to the LED and even provide color. So it's very good. I have taken blue. Now, oh, orange. Okay, I like blue only, so I will take blue. Huh. Now I have connected it to the digital pin 2, and this is a Tinkercad software which I am using for designing all these circuits. You can also give the name to the circuit by clicking over here. I've given LED and art. I'm kind of lazy, so Arduino as art. And now we will go through this code. In void setup, I have given the command pin mode to output, which means I have taken the output from the Arduino Uno through the digital pin 2. This is all. This is the command pin mode, which we use to tell the program that we are using the pin 2 through which we are getting output. And in void loop, we have given the command digital write to high. This means first of all we will provide high digital to pin number 2. Then we will delay. This is also command which will provide delay for 2000 milliseconds, that is 2 seconds. Then the program will proceed to line number 10, where we have given low to digital pin 2 itself. Now again also we have provide delay for 2 seconds. Now this will keep on happening as it is in loop. So this is all about code. Now we can see through the simulation. Now it's glowing off. Glow. Wow, this is amazing. This is really amazing. This is my first time. I am so impressed by all this. So you can go through the Tinkercad and you can do all this. This is my first experiment. So I am too excited. So thank you. I hope you liked it. Bye. Have a great day.